Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add YouTube links on Instagram story. Guys, you can add any links on your Instagram story. This is new update. You can add links on Instagram stories, whether you have 10,000 followers or not. Before, Instagram had rules that the for posting links on your Instagram story you have to complete 10,000 followers, but now everyone can post links on Instagram story. So how you can add YouTube links on Instagram story? I'm going to show you my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone you can follow the same steps. So let's start with the video. So guys, here you can see I'm on Android phone and just opening Instagram here. And to post stories you have to click on here, or you can post stories from here. Just click on plus icon. Now you have to click on stories, just record stories, or you can import videos from here. I just record few seconds. Okay, after that you have to click on next. So before that you have to click to post YouTube link on your Instagram story. You have to click on this icon which is called sticker. Now in search bar you have to search links. So this option will become, if this option not, if you're not seeing this option on your Instagram, so you have to update your Instagram application from Play Store. Okay, so go to Play Store, update your application, just switch off your phone, and after on this you can click on it. Still you don't find links option, then go to the application in setting and clear the caches. Okay, now you have to click on links, and here you can paste your YouTube links. Okay, you can type links also. I can type like youtube.com. Okay, and just click done. So you can move it anywhere if you want, and just click on share, and here you can share as a story to your Instagram, and just click on done. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for